On this video today, I'm going to show you a smart strategy that you can use to make up to $2,000 per week using Digistore24 and ChatGPT. This method does not require skills, it does not require any experience. So if you're a beginner, keep on watching till the end because I'm going to show you how you can use this particular strategy to create an additional passive income from home wherever you are in the world. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and then press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to create a Digistore24 account. Once you create your account and log in, you are going to click right here, Marketplace. Once you click on the Marketplace, you can see these are categories of digital products that you can promote to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. Any of these categories that you click, you can get access to digital products that you can promote to make money. You can see a whole lot of them. So let me scroll down for you to see. You can see many categories. You can see a whole lot of them. So any of these categories that you are interested in, you can just click on it and then find a product to promote. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting products under the health and fitness categories. So you can just click on it right here. Once you click on it, you are going to see this particular product, the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan. This particular product is one of the best because when you come here, you can see sales rank. This product is ranking number 1 in terms of sales on this platform. You can see it right here. So now if you are new to the product, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, sales page, so that you can see the landing page of the product. Once you click on it, you can see this is the landing page of the product. You can see there is a video right here that your potential visitors are going to watch. You can see it right here. So this is the exact page that your potential visitor is going to see before they decide to purchase the product. So once they click on this and then watch the video, if the video contains the information that they want, they are going to go ahead and then purchase the product for you to make money. Once you come back on the Digistore24, you can see right here the commission rate is $25.54. This is the amount that you are going to earn per every sale that you get. And you can see right here, this is your affiliate link. If you are new to the product, you are going to see something like promote now, but because I've been promoting it, that is why you are seeing my affiliate link right here. So now the next step is that you are going to begin driving traffic to this particular link so that you can get people to purchase the product for you to make money. The next step is that you are going to come on this website, answers.com. On this website, you can answer any question based on any niche that you want. If you want answers to questions, you can also get the answers based on any niche that you want. So if you are good at any subject, you can come on this website and then answer questions in the subject that you are good at. You can see right here they have mathematics, you can see science, history, business, arts and humanities, you can see social studies, engineering and technology, you can see many others. But what we are going to do is that we are going to find a subject that is related to the product that we are promoting. In this case, we are promoting a keto product, so it's under the food and drinks. You can also classify it under the health and beauty. In this case, I'm going to be using the health and beauty, so just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see under the health and beauty they have subcategories. You can see the subcategories right here. You can see beauty, diet and nutrition, you can see health conditions, you can see right here healthcare facilities and many more. So now what you have to do is that you have to click on the subcategory so that you can find questions and then provide answers. You don't need to answer them yourself. We are going to be using an AI to answer for us. So just come right here and then click on login so that you can create your free accounts. In this case, I have an account, so I'm going to log in and then show you step by step on how to use this platform to get people to buy your affiliate products. Once you create your accounts and log in, now what you have to do is that you have to select the subcategory. So in this case, I just want to select this one right here. Once you click on the subcategory, you can see a lot of people who are asking different questions. You can see a lot of different questions right here. When you come here, you can see this particular question. You can see what is the recommended daily intake of fat to lose weight. You can see it has 36 answers. You can see what is the proper weight for a 3-year-old girl who is 39 inches tall. You can see that is a question. You can see this is another question. There are many questions that you can find under this particular category. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see right here, how do you look skinny? You can see a lot of different questions. So what you have to do is that you have to keep on scrolling and then find the questions that you want to answer. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see many questions. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select one of these questions and then answer it for you to see, so that you can also follow the same steps to answer any of the questions that you want. So let me just scroll down. You can see right here, I want to answer this particular question. You can see what is the recommended daily intake of fat to lose weight. I want to answer this particular question right here. So just click on the question. Once you click on the question, you can see these are answers that people are providing. You can see right here, this is a link of the person who has provided the answer. You can see link, you can see this is a link. So what you have to do is that you are also going to answer the question and then provide your link. You can see this is another answer to the question. So now what you have to do is that you have to also provide your answer to this particular question so that you can get people to read your answer and then click through your affiliate link so that they can purchase the product that you are promoting. So you are going to highlight and then copy the question. Just highlight and then copy the question. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come on ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a language model that is capable of providing response with high accuracy just like human beings. So we are going to paste the question right here so that ChatGPT will answer the question for you. So just paste your question right here. Once you paste the question, you are going to click on search so that it will write an answer for you. You can see it is writing an answer for you. You can see it has written a very useful answer to the question. So now what you have to do is that you have to highlight and copy your answer. Just highlight and copy everything. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then click on write your answer. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. Just paste the answer right here. Once you paste the answer, the next step is that you are going to type your call to action right here. So just type something like copy and paste this link to get access to a 30-day keto meal plan. Just something like this. Copy and paste this link to get access to a 30-day keto meal plan. This is the call to action that you are going to write. Once you have your call to action, the next step is that you are going to come on Digistore24 and then copy your affiliate link. Just highlight and then copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to search for bit.ly.com. Once you search for bit.ly.com, you are going to see a website like this. What we want to do is that we want to shorten the link because this link is too long. People are not going to click on it when they see it. It looks spammy, so you are going to shorten it. Just click right here, shorten, so that it can be shortened. Once it is shortened, you are going to click right here, copy. Once you copy it, you are going to paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. The next step is that you are going to delete the first part of it so that this particular website, they will not detect that it is a link. Just delete this portion. Once you delete it, you are going to leave it like this. Link is working. Anytime your viewers copy and paste this particular link into their browsers, they are going to get access to the product. So you have to leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to come right here and then click on submit so that you can submit your answer to this platform. So just click on it, submit. Once you provide your first answer, the next step is that you are going to find another question and then provide an answer. Find another one, provide an answer so that you can get many people to click on your link. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.